My name is Andrew Harber. I'm the CEO of Abatement Technologies. My father's side of the family has been in manufacturing here in Niagara for over 75 years. My mother's is in agriculture, and our roots on that side of the family date back 150 years. And we now have Ravine Vineyard in St. David's, Niagara-on-the-Lake. With our manufacturing operation, we've grown substantially over the last 5 to 10 years, from 40 to 100 employees locally here in the region. And we were simply running out of room. That's what brought us to where we are today. We already had 3 facilities in Forterie that had zero ability for further expansion to them. We worked with Niagara Economic Development, Forterie Economic Development, the town of Forterie, and we had this challenge, and we were open-minded at first. We're an international company. We've got a US and international distribution hub down in Atlanta. We didn't know whether to expand our facilities down there, but with working with the local agencies and Team Niagara, we went through, and really through incentive programs and understanding how they would work, we got comfortable, warmed up to this idea of building a new state-of-the-art facility here in Niagara that we're extremely excited about. One that's gonna, I think, be a great addition to advanced manufacturing here in the region, and one that also proud it's gonna have a significant solar build to it. And the team is just over the moon excited. Our facilities date back almost 75 years themselves. So to be in a state-of-the-art facility is something that I didn't think would happen. Team Niagara helped us out in so many ways. Right from site selection, to be in the liaison with the town, the region. We had a number of challenges come along the way, be it traffic studies that needed to happen, be it a stormwater management plan that needed to be put together and has challenges, and they were really there at any time we needed them. Many of our staff members are on first name basis with those offices now, that there are a lot of calls, and there's a lot of dialogue and a lot of coordination that goes into a project of this size. There were 2 main incentive programs that really came into play from us. The first one is a points-based system on architectural features and best practices that are all spelt out, and we really looked and engaged or focused on that early on in our design, and I think it made it a much better design. Abatement Technologies, at the end of the day, was built by 3 generations of Niagara residents. We've had a great past, even more excited about the future going forward. I think we built something special, and it's going to continue to grow, and it's going to be awesome to do it here in Niagara.